Fulham Gaelic, learn Irish. Teacht a Hocht, lesson 8. The, to be. The future tense on Amsher Osteanach. On Amsher Osteanach. They will be. They may, I will be. They too, you will be. They she, he will be. They she will be. They midge, we will be. They shiv, you will be. They shid, they will be. They fer, people will be. Ni they will not be. Ni they may, I will not be. Ni they too, you will not be. Ni they she, he will not be. Ni they she will not be. Ni they midge, we will not be. Ni they shiv, you will not be. Ni they shid, they will not be. Ni they fer, people will not be. On may, will something be. On may, will I be. On may too, will you be. On may she, will he be. On may she, will she be. On may midge, will we be. On may shiv, will you be. On may shid, will they be. On may fer, will one be, generally. Knock may, will someone or something be, not be. Knock may, will I not be. Knock may too, will you not be. Knock may she, will he not be. Knock may she, will she not be. Knock may midge, will we not be. Knock may shiv, will you not be. Knock may shid, will they not be. Knock may fer, will one not be. Aberchi. Sentences. On may, Liam, go America. Will Liam be going to America? Ni they. No. They she a go Corky. In parts of Ireland that would be pronounced Agdo. They she Agdo Corky. He will be going to Cork. Nach may she aska. Won't it be easy? Badger? Maybe. Badger go may saver la. Maybe I will be rich one day. Is Badger shin? That's possible. On May 2 ig image J Sahern. Will you be playing on Saturday? Ni Fedger A. Ni Fedger A. It's not possible. They may in London. I will be in London. Tá sé jazz an Shaw. Nach will. It's nice here, isn't it? Tá Kincha. It certainly is. Ach, they sé go hálín America. but it will be beautiful in America. Sin jura le ceacht a hocht. That's the end of lesson 8. Slán go fóill. Bye for now.